Hello guys, welcome to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari and today we'll be talking about how to crack a tech interview in 3 months. So without wasting much time, let's get started. As you all know, big tech companies are going to hire 2022 batch in few months. So I have come here with a 3-month strategy so that the students can be placed in their dream company. My plan consists of 4 parts. First one is the aptitude test, second is the coding test, third is the technical interview, and fourth is the HR interview. It's a journal setup that every company uses to hire students every year. So I'll be talking about each and every part and will be briefing you how much time you should give to each part daily so that you can achieve your goal in 3 months. So coming to the first topic, aptitude test. You need to prepare HCF LCM, average, percentages, profit and loss, time and work, simple interest, compound interest, PNC, probability and reasoning for your aptitude. You need to give 2 hours daily at least to get prepared for it. Second is the coding test. For coding test, you should aim at least 10 coding questions daily. There are various platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, CodeChef and many more you can go and search online. 10 questions daily, it will take a maximum of 2 hours and you will achieve your target. The third is the technical interview. For technical interview, you need to understand that you need to focus on 2 main things. First one is you need to select 2 favorite subjects and 2 favorite languages. Your favorite subjects can be DBMS, data structures, operating systems or networking. And for 2 languages, you can choose any of the one which you want. For example, C++, Java, Python. You must understand one thing, that at least one language should be object-oriented programming language. That is the main criteria. And now coming to the fourth part, that is the HR interview. First and foremost, you need to prepare a very good resume. Second, you need to prepare about HR basic questions. For example, tell me about yourself and scenario based questions. After covering all these things, you will be prepared for interviews. So in short, you need to give 5 to 6 hours daily for yourself so that you can get placed in your dream company. 2 hours for aptitude, 2 hours for coding and 2 hours for technical interview subjects and languages. If you do so, you will definitely achieve your goal. Do tell me in the comment section if you want individual videos for each and every topic. I'll be very obliged to present you all the videos. At last, I would like to say, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos and help you all to get placed in your dream companies. All the best.